AI just made a massive leap, and no one saw it coming. A model trained on just 14% of its competitors' data is outperforming industry giants, proving that smarter training beats brute force. Today, we'll uncover how OpenThinker-32B and Hugan 3.5D are rewriting the rules of AI reasoning. OpenThinker-32B, redefining AI efficiency. Artificial intelligence is advancing fast, and OpenThinker-32B is proof that smart training matters more than just using massive amounts of data. Developed by the OpenThoughts team, this model is fine-tuned from Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 TOB Instruct and comes with 32.8 billion parameters and a 16,000 token context window. This means it can process large amounts of information and provide highly accurate answers. One of the biggest reasons OpenThinker-32B is making headlines is its efficient training approach. Instead of using millions of random data points, it was trained on the OpenThoughts 114K dataset, which includes 114,000 high-quality examples. These examples come with detailed metadata, verified solutions, and domain-specific guidance. For coding problems, the team even used an AI-based judge to check math proofs and ensure accuracy. This careful training method helps the model think logically rather than just memorize answers. The team trained OpenThinker-32B using a method called 3 epochs, which means it went through the dataset 3 times to refine its learning. They used the Llama Factory framework with a precise learning rate adjustment to make sure the model learned efficiently. The training was completed on AWS SageMaker, using 4 nodes with 8 H100 GPUs each, and the entire process took just 90 hours. What makes OpenThinker-32B stand out is its performance despite using much less data than its competitors. While models like DeepSeek used around 800,000 training examples, OpenThinker achieved similar results with just 114,000. This proves that high-quality training beats sheer data volume, making OpenThinker a game-changer in AI reasoning. Performance benchmarks. OpenThinker versus DeepSeek. When it comes to AI, performance is everything. OpenThinker-32B is proving that it can compete with top models, even with less training data. It has been tested on different benchmarks, and the results are impressive. On the Math 500 benchmark, which measures mathematical reasoning, OpenThinker scored 90.6%, beating many larger AI models. This shows that it is highly capable of solving complex math problems. Another important test is the GPQA Diamond benchmark, which checks how well an AI model can solve general knowledge and reasoning tasks. OpenThinker scored 61.6%, performing better than many other open-source models. In coding tasks, it scored 68.9% on the LCBV2 benchmark, showing that it can understand and generate code effectively. However, DeepSeek, another strong AI model, slightly outperformed OpenThinker in coding, scoring 71.2%. This means DeepSeek still has an edge in programming-related tasks. One of the most impressive things about OpenThinker is how it performs despite using much less data. DeepSeek was trained on 800,000 examples, while OpenThinker used only 114,000. That's just 14% of DeepSeek's data. Yet OpenThinker still competes closely and even wins in some areas. This proves that training quality is more important than sheer data quantity. Overall, OpenThinker-32B is a major success for open-source AI. It performs at a high level, competes with models trained on far more data, and is fully transparent for researchers and developers to improve further. While DeepSeek may have some advantages in specific tasks, OpenThinker's efficiency and open-source nature make it a true game-changer in AI reasoning. The open-source revolution. Why it matters. Artificial intelligence is growing fast, but most powerful models are locked behind closed doors. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic keep their AI models private, making it hard for researchers and developers to learn from or improve them. This is where OpenThinker-32B changes the game. Being fully open source, it allows anyone to download, study, and improve the model. This openness is important because it helps more people experiment, innovate, and build better AI systems. One of the biggest surprises about OpenThinker-32B is how efficiently it was trained. Most AI models rely on huge amounts of data, but OpenThinker used only 114,000 examples, while DeepSeek needed 800,000. Despite using just 14% of the data, OpenThinker still matched or outperformed its competitors in several key benchmarks. This proves that better training strategies can beat brute force data collection. It also makes AI development more affordable, allowing smaller teams to compete with tech giants. Another big advantage of open-source AI is transparency. Anyone can see exactly how OpenThinker was trained, what data was used, and how it makes decisions. This means researchers can test it for bias, fairness, and security, making AI safer and more reliable. In contrast, closed AI models keep their training methods secret, making it difficult to understand their weaknesses or potential risks. By keeping AI open, more people can contribute to its progress. Developers can fine-tune OpenThinker for specific tasks, improve its accuracy, and even build new AI models based on it. This collaborative approach speeds up AI advancements and makes powerful AI accessible to everyone, not just big corporations. OpenThinker-32B is proof that open-source AI is the future, and it's changing the industry for the better. Hugan 3.5. D. AI that thinks in loops. AI models usually follow a step-by-step approach to solve problems, but Hugan 3.5D is different. Instead of simply moving forward through each step, it thinks in loops, refining its answers multiple times before giving a final response. This unique method, called latent reasoning, allows Hugan 3.5D to solve complex problems more efficiently without needing massive amounts of memory or tokens. Developed by a team of researchers from Ellis Institute, Max Planck Institute, University of Maryland, and others, Hugan 3.5D was designed to handle difficult reasoning tasks. Traditional AI models generate long chains of thought to break down problems, but Hugan does most of this thinking internally. It runs multiple loops over the same information, making corrections along the way, just like a person solving a math problem on scratch paper. One of its biggest advantages is memory efficiency. Many AI models use a lot of tokens to show their reasoning process, which can quickly fill up the context window and slow things down. Hugan 3.5D avoids this by reusing internal memory, allowing it to process longer and more complex queries without needing extra computational power. This makes it faster and more efficient, especially for tasks like code generation and mathematical problem solving. The model was trained on 800 billion tokens covering general text, coding, and math. It was specifically designed to handle problems that require multiple steps rather than simple fact-based answers. Hugan 3.5D has already outperformed larger models like Pythia 6.9B and 12B on reasoning-heavy tasks. Its ability to adapt its processing based on difficulty makes it one of the most exciting advancements in AI today. AI is evolving faster than ever, and models like OpenThinker-32B and Hugan 3.5D are proving that smart design beats brute force. OpenThinker-32B has shown that high-quality training can outperform massive datasets, while Hugan 3.5D's looped reasoning approach is changing how AI thinks through complex problems. Both models challenge the idea that only big tech companies can build cutting-edge AI. The rise of open-source AI is giving researchers, developers, and even hobbyists a chance to experiment, improve, and create better, more efficient models. As AI becomes more advanced, one thing is clear: the future of AI isn't just about power, but about intelligence and efficiency. Will these new models continue to push the limits of AI reasoning? Or will an even bigger breakthrough surprise us next? With AI moving this fast, we may not have to wait long to find out. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.